MCC suddenly announced the NEET PG 2025 counseling. So now the real game starts. तुम्हारा रैंक तो एक गो गेम था, but अभी the real game of choice filling is going to start. Thus, watch the video till the very end. Starting from the basics. Types of seats. Central University has 50% AIQ seats, and some of the central institutes like the DU, IPU, BHU, AMU, they have institutional quota of 50%. Other central institutes में 100% AIQ में मिलता है. Government Medical College 50% AIQ, 50% state. NBMS DNB 100% in the AIQ. Deemed colleges like KMC Manipal, they have 100% in the AIQ. Private medical colleges like DY Patil, KPC Medical College, they have 100% seats in the state counseling. Coming to how to choose a branch, this completely depends on yourself. My approach is according to the priority, how I used to choose my branch. So if your priority is medicine, then the medicinal branches come into play. First is the general medicine, then is the pediatric medicine, then is the respiratory medicine, emergency medicine, geriatric medicine, family medicine, and anesthesia. If your priority is surgery and you get adrenaline rush doing surgeries and saving lives, then best is the general surgery. You can do DNB 6 years course of neurosurgery or CTVS, orthopedics for the male, and OBGY for the females. But if your priority is work life balance, then radio is the best stream. After that is the derma, eye, ENT, nuclear medicine, radiation oncology, PSM, pre paraclinical subjects, PMR, and other streams. Another stream is the psychiatry. This is completely out of these three streams because for that you need to have the accompaniment of a psychiatrist. You need to have the inclination towards psychiatry, then only go for the psychiatry stream. Always prefer branch over institute because institute is going to stay for 3 years. Your branch is going to stay for the rest of your life. So take the decision judiciously and choose the branch over institute. एंड कौन सी इंस्टीट्यूट से तुम पास कर रहे हो इंडिया के पेशेंट्स उतना नहीं देखेंगे. If you are again confused between say general medicine and pediatrics, general medicine and respiratory medicine, or general medicine and general surgery, the best thing to do is an observation ship for 2 to 3 days in your hospital. Then only तुमको पता चलेगा तुम्हारा affinity कौन से branch की तरफ है. Criteria on which you should choose a college. This is very important slide. Bond. No bond is always better than 1 year bond, better than 3 years bond. And bond में याद रखना बॉन्ड पेपर में होता है एंड कुछ इम्प्लीमेंटेड होता है. जैसे कि असम में शायद 5 years बॉन्ड है बट इम्प्लीमेंटेड बॉन्ड नहीं होता है बहुत सारे केसेस में. बट ऑलवेज गो थ्रू द लीगल टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन बिकॉज इफ द मूड ऑफ गवर्नमेंट चेंजेस और द गवर्नमेंट चेंजेस देन वो वाला बॉन्ड ही लागू करवाएंगे. ठीक है. सो जो पेपर में है वो वाला ही देख के सिलेक्ट करना. कमिंग टू लोकेशंस, मेट्रो सिटीज क्लोजर टू योर लोकेशन इज better because if you want to set up your clinic near your locality or near that metro city, then go for that metro city only which is closer to your hometown, because you are going to have network of many people, maybe the guards, maybe the MRs help you to set up your clinic. So your network is your net worth. And why metro cities? Because the exposure is very much good, the conferences take place, the workshops take place, you get exposed to the best clinics and the best faculties. Thus in this case VMMC or MAMC is better than BHU because VMMC MAMC are in Delhi and BHU is in Banaras, so the city plays a major important role. Hands-on exposure is more important, and for these surgical streams of state medical college is better than central medical college because there is SR culture. Most of the hands-on surgeries are done by the SRs. So PG ship में कम hands on मिलता है. For the surgical streams it is better to go for state medical colleges. Duty hours also vary a lot. Some colleges psychiatry has 120 hours duty and some colleges they have only 40 hours duty. So duty hours play a major role in your work life balance. So वो वाला देख लेना duty hours कितना है. Toxicity is also important. Salary very much important because in DU you get 1.2 lakhs per month, but in West Bengal or Karnataka you get 60,000 per month. Infrastructure, in external infrastructure, you have to see whether there are good ACs, good toilets. Like these basic facilities are not present in majority of the hospitals also. In internal infrastructure is even more important, because what kind of machines are there, lasers are there, what kind of procedures are done, you have to know. पेशेंट लोड, एडिक्वेट पेशेंट लोड इज नेसेसरी. बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सेस अगर हो जाता है देन इट कैन लीड टू ओवर्क, ओवरलोड और बर्नआउट. एकोमोडेशन फैसिलिटी इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज अगर हॉस्टल तुमको कैंपस में मिलता है देन यू आर सेविंग 20,000 ऑन रेंट, एंड इन द हॉस्टल you are also getting the safety and security. Academics is also important, because theoretical knowledge is also important to pass the MD exam, and also theoretical knowledge is necessary to apply it practically. Influence of HOD also matters for you to get prizes in the case presentations or the poster presentations. And if your HOD sir is influential, has a lot of patients, then he could refer some patients to you. He or she could help you in your clinical establishment also. Other factors like culture, climate, food can differ. Like if a person from south is going towards north, this everything will differ, but adjustment occurs within 3 months or 6 months. You will be adjusted. How to know the information? Some informations you will get directly on the internet, some informations you need to consult the seniors. Consult two first year PGTs. खाली एक से मत पूछना, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि उसका कोई दोस्त उसी कॉलेज में वो स्ट्रीम लेना चाहता है, एंड तुम उससे जाके अगर पूछते हो तो वो तुम्हारा नेगेटिव काउंसलिंग कर देगा, ताकि तुमको चांस ना मिले, उसका दोस्त को मिल जाए. सो ऑलवेज कंसल्ट टू फर्स्ट ईयर पीजीटीज. फर्स्ट ईयर पीजीटीज का पर्सपेक्टिव हर टाइम नेगेटिव होता है, सो consult a second year PGT, because first year there is very much workload. And also consult one SR who has to do nothing with the hospital. So if you consult these four people, then you are good to go. After you have consulted these four people, maybe your choices were 100. After that, your choices drop down to 3. In these 3, how to differentiate? Do a clinical observation ship, that is, go there and do the duties with the PGTs. Then only you will get to know what is the hands on exposure, what is the level of toxicity, how the department is functioning, and whether you are going to adjust in that department or not. Toxicity, some online list is there floating. You can get that. And if you do the observation ship, you will get an idea. Also check that whether any PGT has quit in past 3 years his or her MDMS course. That is a suspicious data, and that could denote a bit of toxicity. Coming to MD versus DNB, DNB is better in the aspect that it has no bond. There are better instruments, there are better infrastructure, but the clerical work is more. In MD, the patient exposure is more, you learn better, the academics is good, and after MD, just by giving the DNB exam, you get the DNB degree. So my choice flow will be MD Central College except surgery, MD in State Top College, DNB in top private institutes except surgery, MD in State College, MD in Deemed College, DNB in State Hospital, Diploma. After that, MD in Private College, because the cost is very much high in the private college. Coming to how to fill choices, if you are a mid ranker, then you must go for Zynet. You can use my code Mayuk500. There is no space in between to get extra 500 rupees off on your pro plan. Now, if your rank is in 3000, now you have to see all the colleges of your stream which you can get from rank 1 to 10,000 the previous year. Fill according to the feedback you got from the seniors, not the last year cutoff. Like last year cutoff of NRS dermatology was lesser than Arjikar, but Arjikar is a better medical college. So don't just go blindly through the last year cutoff. Always check the institute information from the institute information tab, like details of Apollo Hospital, because there are many Apollo hospitals. Go for institute information, then only you will get to know which city, which state the college is in. Every year the seat matrix is changed, so हो सकता है कि तुम्हारा कोटा में पिछले बार में सीट नहीं था बट इस बार है. So go through this year's list very carefully and fill in from the top institute to the institute you can get information regarding joining. Reach the institute at least 2 days prior and avoid holidays, बिकॉज इन हॉलीडेज मे बी द स्टूडेंट सेक्शन इज ओपन, बट जहाँ से बॉन्ड होगा वो वाला कोर्ट खुला ना हो सकता है, या फिर जहाँ से जेरोक्स होगा जेरोक्स सेंटर ओपन नहीं हो सकता है. सो गो 2 days प्रायर एंड अवॉइड हॉलीडेज. रीच विदिन 10 a.m. Within 10 a.m. all the student sections are open and functional, because it usually takes 5 to 6 hours to complete the admission process. Take all the documents that are necessary and take 2 photocopies extra, and additional documents if you are having any, take them also with you, because कुछ कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी लग सकते हैं. Take your guardian with you, because when you will be submitting the documents, then your guardian can go and make the bond. So simultaneously दो काम एक साथ किया जा सकता है if you take your guardian. Keep the emergency fund ready and keep the debit card ready, because you need to do the university registration, challan, bond, many things. So मेरा भी मैमसी में जाके approximately 50K खर्चा हो गया था on the first day. And always write yes on upgradation. Like I got my first choice as मैमसी डरमा. It was my first choice and I was allotted that. So इसके बाद अगर पूछता है कि डू यू वांट टू अपग्रेड, तो इसके बाद तो अपग्रेड नहीं होगा, इसके बाद तो डिग्रेड होगा. बट देन ऑल्सो यू डोंट नो वेयर सिचुएशंस कैन टेक यू. सो ऑलवेज फिल येस ऑन वेदर यू वांट टू अपग्रेड और नॉट. उसके बाद अपग्रेड ना करो, कौन पूछने जा रहा है तुमको. Precautions: don't believe in rumors, because the SC notice was given that the creamy layers will be removed from quotas, but SC is the judiciary. SC is not the legislative. Legislative is the government, and government has not brought any laws as such. And no domicile based reservation during admission, as Dr. RMD mentioned that it is applicable only for Chandigarh. In our state, West Bengal, also the domicile based admission is going on. Keep an eye on the state round, because it is going to simultaneously occur, and don't follow blindly anyone's else choice filling sequence or previous year cutoffs. Do your own research and fill it accordingly. Remember, everybody does not get the ideal partner, and ideal partners are always not happy. So, a surgeon at VMMC may be frustrated, but a surgeon at Peripheral Medical College may be happy. So the run of your rank is over. Now it's your turn to make the clever choice and get out of the rat race. So all the best for your NEET PG counseling. Now you can see a video on what are the topmost earnings medical specialties. If you haven't watched it, watch it now.